Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to disable an element using jQuery. You can also change the non-CSS properties of the HTML elements with jQuery. For example, you can disable buttons. When you disable a button, it will become grayed out and can no longer be clicked. jQuery has a function called .prop that allows you to adjust the properties of elements. Here's how you would disable all the buttons. Here, so you select all the buttons and then you set the prop and then you set disabled is equal to true. Disable only target 1 button. Okay, so we've got target 1 selected. This is a great example actually. So let's just select target 1 again, right? We want to go target 1 and then we're going to go .prop. And before we do this, I'm commenting it out right now. Let's look at target 1. If you inspect the element and you go in here, target 1 has no disabled equals true. We're going to be looking for something like yeah, it's here. I'm just adding a comment. It's going to be in HTML. It would be disabled is equal to true. You'll see element 1. Nope. Element 1 does not have that in there, so we're going to add that. So we're going to say prop, and then we're going to say disabled, and we're going to set that equal to true. And now, if we were to right-click, oh, you can't even right-click it specifically. Anyways, I'll right-click the bottom, and now we see we have set the prop is equal to disabled. Oh, cool! I got it actually wrong. It's not disabled equals true. It just adds a prop in there called disabled. And so now you can see I can't click it, and it actually has this hover key on it as well. So we want to disable only the target 1 button. If we run the test, that passes. Okay, cool. If you wanted to just do it as fast as you can, this is the way to do it. But here, what we're doing is we're defining this target thing twice. We're doing this twice. Why would we do that? We should just say, we're going to say let target 1 equal this selector. And then we can just say target 1.css is color. And then we could change down here as well. And so we're using variable names to save us a bunch of work. If we run the test, that should pass. It does the same thing. Even if the tests didn't pass, this would work. Another thing that we could do, I think that we could actually do, is chain them all together like this using JavaScript chaining. And you'll see it's not working as well. And so this is how you can kind of refactor your code. Whereas initially when you were doing the same thing and writing duplicate code in various places, this just makes it so you're a little faster. This is the exact same thing. So yeah, hope this helps you guys. And oh, now it doesn't work. So it actually doesn't like it when I chain it together like this. So it did earlier though. JavaScript can just be kind of tricky. Run the test and pass. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.